hit the follow, like and subscribe buttons. So today's coding challenge is about sets and using the discard method on a Python set. So the question really is what comes out when we do a print of my set, given that we've got a set that is 5 numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and then we've chosen to discard number 3. So our theory, at least our concept, would be that this number here gets thrown out of the set, and then we're just left with a 1, 2, 4 and 5. So let's actually go and implement this in the code just like this. So we'll do a my underscore set over here, and we're going to say that it's of type set, which we're allowed to do, and then we will say that it's equal to a set of 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, just like that. And then we'll do a my underscore set, and we'll use the dot notation and select discard from down there. But before we select the discard, we can actually have a little read about what it does. And it says here, remove an element from a set if it is a member. But you could actually ask the question, well, why not just use the set.remove? And we're told here that unlike the set.remove, the discard method does not raise an exception when an element is missing from the set. So if 3 never existed in the set, the discard method wouldn't actually throw an error message. So that's the key difference between them. So let's just tab in and do that, and we'll hit the number 3 there. So that's what we're going to remove. And when we do a print of my underscore set like this, we should just get what we're expecting, which is we're expecting to get this, which is well, in fact, this entire set over here, less the 3. So this is what we're expecting to get, just like that. So we'll run it, and indeed we do get that. And if we did have so we'll just comment this one out for a second. If we did have a my underscore set dot remove, and we tried to remove the number 3, but number 3 didn't exist over here, we see that we get thrown this error message because number 3 never existed, whereas the discard method would not throw an error. It just bypasses without raising the exception. So that's the difference between discard and remove, and that's how discard works. Discard's very convenient for removing an item from a set when we don't know if the item exists or doesn't exist, and we don't want an error thrown. So that's it. Thank you very much, and again, follow, like and subscribe.